high-tier combat is unforgiving. One mistake, one wrong turn, and you're gone. But what if you had dominance? Before the merge even begins, this is the Su-27M. The Su-27M is not just another flanker. Its evolution, advanced radar, modern missiles, and unmatched presence in high-tier air battles. This aircraft changes how you fight. The Su-27M thrives on energy, high thrust, excellent climb rate, deadly at medium and high altitude. This is not a turn fighter, it's an energy predator. High-tier combat is decided before visual range, and the Su-27M sees first. Powerful radar, multi-target tracking, long-range missile guidance. Information is your first weapon. R-27 series, R-73 close-range killers. From beyond visual range. To the knife fight, the Su-27M gives you options, deadly ones. When the merge happens, the flanker shows its teeth, high angle of attack, strong nose authority, but mistakes are punished, hard. Mastering the Su-27M means mastering high-tier combat, energy management, radar discipline, missile timing. This aircraft teaches you how top tier really works. The Su-27M is not beginner friendly, but in the right hands, it's terrifying. If you want more elite War Thunder breakdowns, subscribe now. Like the video, share it, and tell us in the comments, is the Su-27M the most dangerous flanker in War Thunder?